Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Binance reward points. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open the Binance app and then click on the top left corner here and then click on more services and search Reward Hub. Click on Reward Hub and scroll down and click here. Now guess the word of the day. After guessing the word right, you can use your reward points here. Now you can use reward points here. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.